Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Microsoft account and picking the correct Game Pass plan for your needs. Once done, add a payment method and confirm billing. This unlocks the catalog immediately. Next, install or open the Xbox app on your PC or make sure your Xbox console is fully updated because the service needs the latest system software to stream and download. Make sure you enable two-step verification if you want extra account security before proceeding. You now decide how to play each title, install locally or stream from the cloud. If installing, pick the drive and enable auto-updates so patches download automatically. If streaming, check your network. Wired is preferable. Aim for consistent bandwidth and low latency. Make sure cloud saves are active so progress transfers between PC and console, and configure controller bindings or accessibility options early. Finally, organize your library with pins or lists so you can jump into favorite games fast. You finish by launching a game and verifying performance and input responsiveness. Tweak graphics or resolution if needed. Once satisfied, review subscription settings to enable auto-renewal or set reminders to avoid unexpected charges, and configure family sharing if others will use the plan. If something goes wrong, try basic fixes. Sign out and back in, clear the Xbox app cache, check NAT type and network stability, or reinstall the app. These steps resolve most connectivity and entitlement issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.